Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping well. Children, God made this world so wonderful. Let's thank God. Get ready for the prayer. Thank you, God, for the world is so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. What do you see in the sky? Yes, sun, moon, and beautiful stars, right? Anything else? Have you seen the flying things which is made by God? Yes, and what's that? Birds. Right. Where do we see the birds? In the sky. We can see them on the trees and we can see them on the ground also. Children, birds have two eyes to see, one beak to eat food and drink water, two legs to walk, and two wonderful wings to fly. With the help of their wings, they can fly in the sky. Do you know the names of birds? I will tell you the names of birds. Crow. Crow. This is a crow. A crow is black in color. Pigeon. Say all of you, pigeon. A pigeon is grey in color. Pigeon. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. It eats small grains. Sparrow. Parrot. Say all of you, parrot. P for parrot. Parrot is green in color with red beak. Children, do you know it can talk like human beings? It eats chilies. Peacock. Peacock. This is a peacock. A peacock is a very beautiful bird. It is a national bird of India. Eagle. Say all of you. Eagle. E for eagle. An eagle can fly very high in the sky. Eagle. Owl. Say all of you, owl. An owl is a night bird. We can see owl at night only. Owl. Hen. Hen. H for hen. It gives us eggs. Myna. Say all of you, myna. It is brown in color with yellow beak. It is also a small bird. Myna. This is an ostrich. O for ostrich. It is the largest bird. Ostrich. Swan. It is white in color with an orange beak. It lives in the water. It eats small fish. Duck. Duck. It lives in the water. Children, let's revise the names. You can repeat after me. Crow. Pigeon. Sparrow. Parrot. peacock, eagle, owl, hen, myna, ostrich, swan, duck. Open page 100 from your Pulse textbook, Semester 2. Birds I see: sparrow, peacock, eagle, owl, parakeet or parrot, myna, hen, pigeon, crow. I'll read for you once again. You can repeat after me. Sparrow, peacock, parrot, owl, eagle, crow, pigeon, hen. In your Pulse worksheet number 10, you have to color this bird and fill in the missing letters. So children, tell me, which bird is this? Yes, this is a peacock, the national bird of India. Let's color the peacock. First of all, we will color the neck of peacock. We will color the body of peacock with blue color. Color the border first. Color the part of feather with blue color. I have done. You also do it carefully. Now fill yellow color in the feather. Fill all the feather with yellow color. Now color the leftover part with green color. Now color the beak and legs with brown crayon. Wow, it is looking very beautiful. Let's write the spelling of peacock. P, write E, P-E-A, P-E-A-C, write O, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Let's do this activity in our EVS notebook. You have to stick these pictures and take the domestic animals, circle the birds. Camel, parrot, sparrow, rabbit, goat, peacock, crow, cow. Camel. Camel is a domestic animal. So take the camel. What is the next picture? Parrot. So circle the parrot. Now you all can do this activity. Take the domestic animals and circle the birds. Okay, children? Children, let's play a quiz. Do you want to play? Yes. I'll show you some pictures and give some clues. You have to tell me the names. Okay? Which bird is this? Tell me the name. It is black in color. Right, it is a crow. Which bird is this? It is the national bird of our country. Yes, it is a peacock. Now tell me the name of this bird. It can talk like human beings. Yes, it is a parrot. Which bird is this? It gives us eggs. Yes, it is a hen. Which bird is this? It is grey in color. Very good, pigeon. Children, I hope you enjoyed this game. Play with your mother, father, or with your friends. Bye-bye, children. Have a wonderful day.